To connect your OnePlus 15 with Wi-Fi network, first of all, we'll need to launch our settings. Next step is to find the Wi-Fi right here. It should be as a second option. And then when you enter it, make sure that the Wi-Fi is activated like I have it right here. Then it should search for any networks available. Pick whichever network you like, and then enter a password for that network, and that way you'll be able to connect with that Wi-Fi network. Another way that you can do it is to use the scan QR code. So if you have your previous device, you can go on that previous device to the Wi-Fi settings and look for the network that is already connected with your phone, click on that network, and then look for a share button. When you see a QR code, click on the QR code scanner on the top right there when you're on your OnePlus 15 and scan the QR code using camera on your older device to instantly connect with that network. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.